ideas for the week?
Sure. I guess I'll just run through. I mean, a lot's gone recently, so I'm in most of the names I like the most, but there's still a lot of things out there that have opportunity, I believe. So I'm just going to run through a bunch of things. I think this DoorDash right here, I really wanted to see a lot more daily consolidation. It's still, pretty sloppy on the daily. It's very wide and taily. True support, I guess, is down here at, 173, but the level is clearly 195. So maybe we could buy this 195 against the recent pivot low, get at 186. I think that one looks really good. I had a great buy in this Airbnb today. I think this one is just getting started. We saw the huge explosive move last week when they said they were going to house the refugees out of Afghanistan. That was a nice little PR move. Who knew that would be a catalyst? But now it pulled in right to that previous resistance area, and I've been buying it off this support right here. I think this one turns up higher. DLO. Recent IPO, software name, huge growth, big gap up. So now it looks like it's going to come test the bottom end of this range on the gap up. So I'm looking for a pullback entry. I wanted to break these lows at 60. And if we could turn this like 56 area, 58 area into new support, I'll look for a pullback buy in that for sure. This Wayfarer. So this Wayfarer, we've been staring at this weekly, monthly chart, huge consolidation. So I bought some a few days ago. I've been sitting in it forever, but I've bought some more on that pivot right there. Since then, we've got two really tight inside days. I'm thinking about adding through that 294 area tomorrow if it shapes up really well. CTAS, just a beautiful macro flag here. What's the trigger here? 395, 396, 397 area. Really nice flag. And then this Lennar. This Lennar looks really nice. So this is a textbook. Textbook cup and handle on the daily, really. We see the cup right here. We see the handle shaping up. Right, Schmear. So, through this 109 area, that looks really, really good tomorrow. And then I got a few more, but I'll save some. This S-Box is the last one I want to talk about. Just a really, really nice support area for the uptrend. Hanging on to this 200 or 100-day moving average for dear life. Clear trigger at 116. Clear stop below those pivots around 113.50. This is much more of a macro trade, but it's shaping up really, really well.